back rank mate, smothered mate, Arabian mate, lawnmower mate. So many great ways to get their king. In the next 10 minutes, 16 checkmate patterns that appear in thousands of games shown on the board so you can see them coming before your opponent does. Let's go. We start with the quickest checkmate possible, fool's mate. If white gets it very wrong, black can checkmate in only 2 moves. And you guessed it, it wasn't named by its fancy creator, but by the one falling for it. Scholar's mate. The attack coming very quickly to the weak f7 square. Now, you might argue I wouldn't fall for that, but many beginners and even at the higher level have fallen for the attack to these 2 blue squares, f7 and f2, before the king has castled. So be careful and use the opportunities if there are any. The lawnmower mate. Look at how it works. Like mowing the lawn. You run away to the other side, king tries to approach, you run away, and you continue mowing the lawn till you checkmate the king. It works with a queen, of course, instead of a rook. Very simple, very easy, basic technique in chess. Another basic chess technique. King and rook versus the king. King and rook are forcing the king all the way to the corner and checkmating him there on the last rank or on the last file. So row by row, rank by rank, forcing the king to move into the corner where it will get checkmated. Of course, you run away with the rook once you're needed, a waiting move, so you can get there in the right place and finally checkmate. Very easy, very simple, but you need to know it. Queen and king against king. You can use your queen just as the rook you will not get very wrong, but there is a quicker way. Let me show you one. So king and queen force the opponent king much quicker to move into the corner, and it's almost half as quick as mating with the rook and the king. Basic technique also, slightly quicker than with the rook. Probably the most common way the beginner games end is a battery of queen and one more piece checkmating the king. So in here, bishop and queen battery, but it can be also rook and queen or knight and queen. One piece defending the queen that delivers the checkmate. Now to something slightly more advanced. Baudin's mate. Queen sacrifice and then crisscross checkmate by 2 bishops. So bishop's pair delivers a checkmate and king can't escape. Greco's mate, where bishop prevents the escape and queen delivers the checkmate. Let's see how it works with 2 rook sacrifices. King takes and queen delivers the checkmate. You might ask, who was Greco? Greco was the first professional chess player 400 years ago. Damiano's mate. Queen mating with the support of the pawn. In here, firstly, rook draws the king, so queen can approach with a check. King runs away, and there is checkmate on h7. So, Damiano's mate. Lolly's mate, where pawn and queen mate the king trapped by its own pawns. There is no escape, there is only checkmate. In the Arabian mate, knight and rook cooperate together to deliver checkmate. Let's see it. Knight comes with a check, king moves, and then knight is not greedy, doesn't capture the queen, but the rook comes and delivers the checkmate. The Arabian mate. In Anastasia's mate, knight and rook combine forces to deliver checkmate at the edge of the board. Let's see how it works. Knight comes with a check, king moves to the edge of the board, queen sacrifice, king takes, and rook delivers the checkmate while knight prevents the escape. Anastasia's mate. The epaulette mate. Queen comes, delivers the checkmate while those 2 rooks look like epaulets around the king and strangle it. Epaulette mate. A great solution always is smothered mate, where king can't move and knight comes and delivers the checkmate. King is smothered by its own pieces, knight delivers the checkmate. Smothered mate. White seems in trouble here, but only if you don't know the back rank mate. How it works? Checkmate at the back rank, because king can't move from its back rank, therefore the name. In opera mate, Rook delivers the checkmate, supported by bishop. How it works here? Queen sacrifice, then one double check, and wherever king moves, there is a checkmate over rook, supported by bishop. The opera mate. 16 checkmate patterns are essential to see your opportunities and the opponent's threats. Next video is about what to do after the opening when you don't know what to do. See you at the board.